blood donation on mobile blood vans. It is blood donation on wheels in a luxurious environment. This was a concept with which the KGMU it took its blood mobile van and started sending it for outdoor camps. Outdoor camps at places where we have people coming in for luxurious or entertainment thinking, such as in malls, in various entertainment areas, in Mahotsav, where they come to just to relax and enjoy themselves. Over there, when they see the blood mobile van, the concept of blood donation, they get inquisitive. They try it out and then they become our regular donors. This is our experience since 2.5 years since we purchased the blood mobile van. It has brought about a revolution or change of thinking, and especially the younger generation. They come over in the malls for purchases on their anniversaries, on their birthdays, just as a celebration, and get motivated to donate blood. And this is the best motivation which they can have. They benefit the society, they benefit their future, as well as they save the lives of so many patients. And this is the purpose of Blood Mobile Van, which we say blood bank on wheels, where we give you the facility right at your doorstep. You don't have to make any special efforts, no extra efforts, and you come to see the bright nature of the Blood Mobile Van, the beautiful environment both inside and outside, as well as the courteous behavior of the staff, are all the motivating factors which encourages you and helps you to donate blood. An example of the Blood Mobile Van, if it is standing on the road and people seeing outside like just passing by, they stop, they inquire and they come and donate blood. No awareness campaign previously as well as afterwards, but now they are regular donors. And it all started 2.5 years back when we sent this blood mobile van to the malls, and there were hardly 3-4 donors which used to come over, and gradually the number increased, and we could see the change in the mentality of the people, especially the younger generation. They came over, donated blood, and now at this time we take the blood mobile van, put it at a public place, and we see so many people just streaming in to donate blood, just inquiring what happens, isn't there a problem? If there is no problem, they go ahead, make those special efforts to donate blood and save life. So this mobile van will bring about a thinking in the awareness or in the concept of the general public, where they think that blood donation will create weakness in them, will harm them, and they have to make those special extra efforts to go and donate blood. And besides this, over here they can come to the market, they can go at a public place and they find the van in front of them, they donate, takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes, there is no loss of time, it's at their workplace or at their home or at their entertainment place, and they come out much more satisfied.